Welcome to forming letters number 8. The sunny S is interesting because you start at the top with the sunny C going up and back, circle around, stop short, and then make a backward C. Sometimes people want to make their S's backwards, but if we remember that you start with the sunny C shape, we'll always make our S's going the right direction. Uppercase S's start just below the skyline there at your sunspot. Go up and back, tap the top line. Finish off your sunny C at the dots, and then make your backward C. Tap the bottom line with that. Let's start a lowercase. Go just below the dotted line, up and back for your sunny C to make it very tiny, and then circle around back, tap the bottom line. Start just below the horizon there on the sunspot. Go up and back, circle, make a sunny C, and then a backward C. Or just below the baseline, go up and back, tap that dotted line, teeny little sunny C, and then a backward sunny C. Always start with your sunny C so your S's are not backwards. Keep practicing your sunny S's and join us for forming letters number 9, where we learn how to draw the letter E.